Hello everyone, go as far as you can see with you, and today I would like to show you this blower Ryobi. So we're gonna open it and try it, and I'll tell you should you buy it or not buy it. That's my opinion. This one came with a charger, a rapid charger. It's actually charged pretty quick. I've done it. Battery drains on a high performance extremely fast. There's a 240 volts lithium batteries. The motor is silenced. It's a brushless motor. This unit is offering 730 CFM, and it's about 190 miles per hour speed. This is Ryobi part number right here. I'll show it to you. Also keep in the description. I bought this from Home Depot, and you can look at this or scan it. Anyway, let's go ahead and jump on it. Of course, I already take everything out of the package. Registered to get the chance to win $10,000. Anyway, this is the unit. I'm ready to attach this piece on it. It's just like this. It's a bazooka, I would say. It's very heavy duty. Soft part inside. Have no idea why, but it is. When you use it, when you look inside, you might see it. It has dual blade. It's more like jets in airplane. You can see it. The controllers. So we got two attachments. One is this, simple on and snug, and there's another one. So they come with these rubberized attachments. Have a hooks inside. You can remove it. I'm not sure. You can probably even trim it to whatever diameter you need, but anyway, I didn't use that. I find out there is a performance much better with existing stuff, so it's kind of pain in the butt to hook that thing back on. I'm not gonna worry about that. So, but adapter snags in pretty easy too, just like this, and I can pin and take it off. Okay, what else was on the package? Charger manual, instruction and such, and warranty and all paperwork. Okay, let me show you what this thing is control. So this is a regular speed, so you push this up and you hold it. This thing also has a autopilot mode, which is this one right here. So you can set it, see it's lifting up, so you can set it to desired performance. Also, it has this button. This is an acceleration. So this is a turbo button to increase power. Battery is huge and they're heavy. This is button over here show you how low or high batteries. Like I said, I try to blow it, and it doesn't take very long because I did it on a high speed. There's another thing I want to show you. This thing is such a powerful. It's basically sitting on my table. You will notice that they're gonna get out the hell of your hands when it's in there. Let's see if I'm going to be started. This thing is gonna run. My apologies, I made a mess on the other side. Everything was knocked down. So this thing is heck of a. You can put it on the bike maybe. Oh my lord, blow everything away. But anyway, let me show you how this thing is work. I'm gonna hold it. So this is a. Or you can just press it. This on top is super speed. been pushing my head out. I'll show you how this is performing. Okay, the yard is pretty much clean because I've done the work a little bit, but anyway, let me show you a tiny bit how does that work. The thing is such a powerful that can blow. Let me show you what it can do. I have a pile of lumber over here for the storage, and I'm also working on hold on a second, let me turn this thing on, a drainage that's supposed to run from my house. So anyway, let's try it. This 2x4. It's about a couple pounds. So I would definitely recommend for anybody who especially use like other batteries for any other purposes. So I love it. All right. Again, let's see. I used the turbo mode and it was actual time, so it's still 3 of them left. All right. I'm not sure. It looks like I showed everything. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and like. I do really appreciate. Have a good day.